Hi, we're the HBP Group and we help manufacturers implement MRP systems and manufacturing software solutions that drive efficiency and maximise profitability. Now, one of the key areas of driving efficiency by using an MRP software system is actually by having everything in one place. Because by having everything in one place, it means people have access to information really easily, but also we can flow that information into the areas it needs to be. And people and payroll is a really good example of that. So of course, if we think about payroll first and foremost, this is about understanding the hours people have worked, overtime, expenses, for example, all within a single system. So of course, that is going to save time when it comes to processing payroll because all of that information is flowing through from one single system. But likewise, we can understand a lot more about our business if we can then assign those relevant costs to the places where we want to analyse them. So for example, if we want to understand our true profit by product, then we need to understand all of the associated costs with it, not just, for example, the stock costs that it comes to producing that product, but also the labour that's involved, any additional expenses that are involved as well. So our people costs play a really key role in that. And by having an MRP system that has both people and payroll involved in it, that makes that really, really straightforward. So like I say, this is a huge opportunity for manufacturers to drive efficiency within their business. And if you'd like to know more about how that can happen, we do offer a free business process review where we can look at how you're doing that at the moment and make suggestions on how it can be improved. As the name suggests, it's completely free and no obligation. So we'll basically map out the process that you're doing at the moment, so from start to finish, and then show you how software can be used to actually streamline that process and drive efficiency within your business. So if you're interested, simply sign up for our free business process review and we'll be in touch with you to get the ball rolling.